Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can see Yahoo password on your iPhone. Well, there's quite two processes for it. The first one should be simply opening your passwords application on your iPhone, which is by default on your phone. So if you simply open your password application, your Face ID will be required. So after the verification here, you can simply tap on the search bar and then start typing Yahoo. Here you can see under the yahoo.com, I have 3 different accounts. So if I simply tap on this option right here, you can see this is my username. And in here, you can see this is my password. So if you want to see this password, you can simply tap on it. And here you can see, you can now simply tap on copy password, copy this. And just like this, you'll be able to see your Yahoo password. So in case if you haven't saved your password on your password application on your iPhone, you might have saved it on your Google. So you can simply go on your Google just like this and then simply tap on your account right here. And after doing that here, if you scroll down, you can see the option of passwords, tap on it. And then from here on your search bar, you can search for Yahoo. Just like this here, you can see nothing has shown up because I haven't saved my Yahoo ID and password on my Google. So just like this, you can check whether you have saved your password on your password application or Google, and you might be able to find your password of your Yahoo account on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.